Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add a beautiful interactive circle kind of a section on your WordPress website so that you can show information to the user in a very engaging manner. So in order to implement this functionality, we will use two plugins. Number one, that is Elementor Page Builder. So by default, we are using Elementor as a page builder for our entire website. And the second one is an add-on plugin for Elementor, which will provide you 50 plus free widgets absolutely without any problem, which are usually covered in the Elementor Pro version. So in order to have both the plugins, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and come into the plugin section. And of course, you need to click on add new plugin. So you need to have both these plugins. So just search for Elementor, and if you by default have the Elementor plugin, you can directly go to the second one. So first plugin is this Elementor Page Builder. So you need to make it install and activate it, and if you are by default having this plugin, not a problem, you can jump onto the second plugin. The second plugin is Essential Addons for Elementor. So this is the plugin Essential Addons for Elementor, and it gives you 100 plus free widgets available inside this particular plugin's free version absolutely without any problems. You just need to install and activate this plugin as well. Once both the plugins are activated, then you will see an option called Essential Addons on the left hand side. Just click on this and make sure you come on to elements and enable all the elements from right here. So just click on this button, and once it is done, click on save settings. So this will make sure that all the free widgets available in this plugin are enabled by default, and once it is done, you need to simply save the settings. Once everything is in place, now come onto your WordPress website front end and choose the page where you want to add this particular section. So let's say I want to choose an on services page in order to show my services, and I will click on edit with Elementor. Now Elementor widgets have more widget as the part of Essential Add-on. So we'll just simply search for circle. So we'll just search for circle, and here is the option interactive circle. So we'll just scroll down and I will add it here in the bottom. So I'll just add a new section which is in full width, and I will just drag that particular widget that is called interactive circle and drag and drop like this. Once it is done, now you can see the layout, and there are four preset in this, in total free version. So how this works: so this is item 1, description according to item 1, item 2, the description according item 2, item 3, item 4. So this way you can add the items and relevant descriptions. The preset 1 is like this. Preset 2, you can make it like a half circle, so it is 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can change the content accordingly. Preset 3 is this kind of a layout. Preset 4 is this kind of layout. So based on your choice, based on your need, you can choose any of the layouts. Let's go with the, for example, preset 1. All right, the whole circle. And show icons, there are icons as well along with the title. So if you want icons to be hidden, just off that, and you will only be left with the title, but we want title and the content to be shown. Let's say you want to show only icons and not the title, you can do that accordingly, but we want both the things to be shown. Now if I talk about the content, click on the content. Circle limit max, this particular preset has 8 circles limit, so 8 items you can add at once. And now you can see there are total in 6, you can add 2 items as well. Now if I give you item 1, so by default the item 1 is this, and this is by default active. You can make any other item active as per your choice. You can change the icon from here. So let's say if you want to change the icon, for example, I want an icon of search, I want to show SEO, for example, I want to show my services. So first one will be SEO, so I want to make it like SEO, so I want to provide SEO services, right? And the button, and then content, the content will be according to SEO. So I'll say this is SEO content, right? And of course you can add images here as well. And then of course if I talk about the style, so background color, in terms of background color you can choose that, but if you are using circles, by default background color will be better. So SEO, let's say in second I want to make it PPC. So PPC means pay per click. So I'll say if there any Google icon, yes, there is a Google icon, so I'll just use the Google icon to show the PPC. Then I can say social media, so for that I can say Facebook, so I'll choose for Facebook. So I can say Facebook ads or meta ads. So similarly you can modify all these things, and you can see that by default side by side it is showing, and if I change it, so of course the content is also changed. Once it is done, now click on additional settings. By default it is kind of a rotating animation, it is off. So click on rotate animation, yes, and by default it will start rotating, and it looks very beautiful, right? Rotate speed, you can control pause on hover, yes. So somebody, as soon as somebody pause on it to read it, so it should be stopped. Mouse hover, mouse event, that is click or hover. So I won't say hover. Animation, if you want say bounce in animation like this, right? Or maybe rotate animation like this, or maybe spinning animation like this. So there are multiple types of animation available, you can choose accordingly. And autoplay, of course I want yes autoplay. And interval, there should not be any interval, the continuous rotation is okay. So I'll say bounce in animation will look better. And once it is done, now click on publish the changes. And once the changes are published, now click on preview the changes. So now let's see how this section looks like in our WordPress website. And it is amazing, beautiful. And of course it will start rotating, and you can see that it is auto rotating. The rotation of individual icons are there. So once it is on meta, then item 4, then item 5, then item 6, and the content is accordingly changed. So this is how you can add a interactive rotating circle on your WordPress website without any paid plugin, without any hassle, step by step, in just couple of minutes. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.